It starts with a mountain of death. Thousands of skins arriving daily.
Boiled, dissolved, refined. We turn raw hide into liquid gold.
Sold for millions as a miracle cure. But do you know how it's made? Step inside the factory. Let's trace the process from the very beginning. In the industrial heartland, a secret trade feeds a billion-dollar hunger.
They arrive by the thousands, hidden in containers, the raw material of a vanishing species.
Skins stripped from donkeys across Africa, South America, and Asia. Salted heavily to prevent rot during the long ocean voyages.
To the untrained eye, waste. To this factory, raw gold.
Demand has decimated global populations. But the factory must eat.
Inventory is money. The stock here is worth millions. Tracing the supply chain back to the source is nearly impossible.
The processing begins with a journey into the dark. Into the machine. The first step is cleaning the surface filth. The effluent is toxic with salt and decay.
Heavy machinery is required to move the waterlogged weight. They are moved to the resurrection pools.
A cathedral of concrete and water.
They must be fully submerged to rehydrate.
Harsh chemicals are added to dissolve the hair.
A caustic bath to strip the identity from the animal. For 2 days, they soak, swelling, softening. The chemical breakdown is working. Ready for the de-hairing machines.
Moving from the chemical phase to the mechanical phase.
These machines are brutal and efficient, stripping away the last evidence of the animal. The fur is a waste byproduct. Only the skin matters. Transformed into pure collagen.
Manual inspection is still required.
Fat is an impurity. It will ruin the final glue.
Preparing for the final wash.
Loaded by the ton.
They must be purged of all chemicals and blood. Flushing out the last of the impurities. Bleaching agents to ensure a uniform light color. Sterilized by heat and chemistry.
They no longer resemble the animal they came from.
Pure dermis, ready for the crucible.
Moving to the heart of the factory.
The extraction floor, where solid becomes liquid.
3,000 skins enter these vats every day. Sealed under immense pressure.
Heat and pressure break out the tough collagen fibers.
Consumed by fire to extract the essence.
The stewing process is violent and continuous.
It is a slow extraction, boiling for days on end. Checking the progress of the melt.
The first extraction, the weak liquor.
Rich in protein, but still full of bone dust and grit. The liquid gold is moved to purification. The solid waste is discarded. The value is in the liquid.
Cleaning for the next batch of 3,000 skins.
Separating the glue from the grit. The clarified gelatin solution awaits the next stage. Every batch must meet purity standards before concentration. Checking for bacterial contamination.
Cleared for the final cooking.
The water must go. We need the glue.
Intense heat to drive off the moisture.
Reducing the volume by 80%. As the water evaporates, the amber color deepens. Rice wine to mask the animal smell. Sugar to sweeten the bitter pill.
Traditional ingredients for a modern market.
The mixture thickens into Ejiao. Constant attention is required to prevent burning. It is nearing the final state.
The hanging flag, the sign of perfect consistency.
The cooking is finished.
Liquid gold, ready for the mold. Temperature control is critical. Moving from extreme heat to extreme cold. Into the chilling phase. The molding room, where precision matters. stainless steel molds, waiting to be filled. Oiled to ensure a perfect release later. The production line never stops. Automated filling for exact weight control. Liquid becomes solid.
Imperfections are not tolerated.
Stacked and ready for the deep freeze. Like bars of dark gold. Rapid cooling to lock the collagen structure. Sub-zero temperatures.
"48 hours to set completely."
Emerging solid and cold. Releasing the slab. The slab is born.
A solid block of concentrated essence.
Ready for final shaping. Precision slicing to standard dimensions. Uniformity is the mark of industrial quality. The final form takes shape. Handled with care, like precious stones.
Ready for the longest phase of production.
The drying hall, where moisture goes to die.
They sleep here for weeks, sometimes months.
Environment control is critical. Too humid, they mold.
Too dry, too fast, and they crack.
Slowly concentrating the value. Blood red transparency, the sign of pure donkey skin.
Polished until it shines like glass.
Branded and authenticated. A stamp of tradition on mass-produced gelatin. From the bloody floor to the sterile packing room. Wrapped in gold. Sold as a miracle cure.
Ready for the luxury market pharmacies.
Ejiao. The donkey's final, expensive form.